In this video, I will take you through spending $700 to give this 17-year-old Mercedes a complete paint restoration. This is a standard wheelbase. Original German imported W212 registered in 2009. Many people think this kind of clunker should have been scrapped long ago, but I feel it is a product of the golden age of ICE cars. Its materials and design are unmatched by today's fast food era. Although it has long been retired, driven less than 2,000 kilometers a year, it holds precious memories. For 17 years, it has served our family excellently. From when I was a primary school student, my dad drove it to take me to school. Until now, as I'm about to turn 30, it has accompanied me through almost my entire life. So when I finally fulfilled my dream, my own shop, I decided to give it a proper detailing, to showcase our shop's top-tier standards. It's also my answer sheet after 10 years of auto detailing as a hobby. The project this time is Gtechniq Crystal Serum ceramic coating, which is also our shop's most luxurious ultimate package, known as the sealing of ceramic coatings. With proper maintenance and good parking conditions, it can last up to 10 years. First, after thoroughly washing the car, is to remove the tar from the car body. Next is a full body clay bar treatment, using clay to absorb impurities from the paint surface. This is the dirt that was rubbed off. You can hear that rough sound when passing over it. Then it's detail brushing for the whole car. If we skip this step, during polishing, the spinning foam pad will pull dirt out of the crevices, causing more scratches instead of fixing them. There are still a lot of water spots on this emblem. These areas prone to have heavy accumulation. After brushing the chrome trims, water spots are completely removed. Viewers of my previous videos might wonder why someone like me, who loves cars so much, the paint of this car gets into this condition. Actually, due to limited time and energy, I really couldn't take care of it. Its only indoor parking spot was occupied by more delicate cars. It just kept serving us tirelessly for so many years, without ever breaking down. A few moments later, before polishing, we must mask all critical areas. Otherwise, the high-speed spinning polish will damage these fragile rubber and plastic parts. After a thorough wash, it looks quite clean at first glance, but if you look closely, you'll find the oxidation layer is extremely heavy. Moreover, countless scratches and oxidation make the paint look grey and dull. Now the polishing officially begins. First, we use a wool pad for a heavy cut on the paint. The wool pad has strong cutting power, which can remove most of the deeper scratches. We are using a premium polishing compound from Japan. This compound is widely used in polishing competitions. Under the same spotlight, this is how the scratched area looks. This is after polishing. Here you can see that, after one heavy cut, the paint no longer looks faded. But looking closely, there are still some fine scratches. These fine scratches need to be refined with a foam pad. Why switch back to the wool pad now? Because there are many deep scratches, and the wool pad handles deep scratches best. For shallow and random scratches, we use a foam pad. So a proper polishing process isn't just going over it once with a wool pad and once with a foam pad to finish. It requires constantly repeating these two processes to achieve perfection as much as possible. The next day, here you can see, after polishing with a rotary polisher, some swirl marks are left. So how do we remove these rotary swirl marks? A dot polisher, a rotary machine, removes scratches faster, but then a dot polisher is used to remove its holograms. This is the effect before polishing. Actually, polishing is a very deep subject, both in theoretical knowledge and operational skills. It requires achieving the best possible results within a limited clear coat thickness, judging how deep a scratch is, whether it can be removed, or whether it's worth sacrificing more clear coat, thus leaving no room to operate. When new scratches appear in the future, these micron-level decisions rely entirely on the technician's experience and feel. My car has weathered 17 years of elements. Some scratches are indeed beyond what polishing can repair. I can only see them as a testament to this old buddy serving our family for 17 years. Polishing and ceramic coating can still make the car look refreshed, like framing an old painting to preserve a memory. After 2 cutting stages and 1 refinement stage, we found there are still some deeper scratches that can't be removed, so we have to correct it again. I guess someone will definitely say, you might as well repaint the whole car. You should know that a full car repaint done for $500 is basically ruining the car. In my opinion, a proper full car respray won't cost less than $5,000. Moreover, this car has 160,000 kilometers. Still have original paint. Before the paint completely ages, I don't see any need for a respray. Also, if an old car gets a full repaint, when it goes into the bake oven, many parts might not withstand the high temperatures, which could cause a series of problems in the future. This is why I chose ceramic coating for restoration. First, it maximizes the protection, letting the original paint for at least another near 10 years. Second, The overall gloss and texture are absolutely unmatched by the plasticky look of PPF. Daisy, we are starting the final finishing stage now, right? Here you can see the DOM machine uses an orbital motion which can remove the holograms caused by the rotary polisher we mentioned earlier. In my opinion, polishing is the most advanced technique in detailing, so for many years. Whenever a polisher is needed, I always find my most trusted polishing master, Brother Cheng. Please continue to follow us. I will also film some polishing tutorials and share detailing experiences with Brother Cheng. This is the result after the dye refinement. Now you can use it as a mirror. Of course, there are some problems that polishing can't solve at all. For example, door dings or rock chips from the highway, where the paint has been completely chipped off. These can only be touched up with a paint pen. Eventually, after giving the car a final wash and blowing out all the water in the crevices, we can officially start the ceramic coating. Wiping it off so quickly ... It's curing. 3 people taking turns, right? 1 wiping this side, 1 on that side, 1 applying. It's really hard to operate alone ... Doing this alone would take forever. Unlike ordinary ceramic coatings, where you can wipe off an entire panel at once, right? Ordinary coatings have very shiny. Half is okay. We have to work in smaller sections. This side is uncoated. This side is coated. You can clearly see a color difference. The coated area has a deeper color. After the solvent evaporates, it cures on the paint surface, forming a dense silica layer. While enhancing color and gloss, it has excellent weather resistance. Top-tier coatings like Gtechniq Crystal Serum can reach 9H hardness, offering great protection against daily acid rain, bird droppings, bug splatter, and other corrosive contaminants. It can even resist some light daily scratches and is highly hydrophobic, making it hard for dirt to stick to the paint. This will make routine car washing extremely easy in the future. I can't wait any longer. Let me do it. Haha. The predecessor to the W212 was the first car in the world to feature a panoramic glass roof, so its successor continued this design. For this glass roof, we are using a ceramic coating specifically designed for glass. Don't sing too high, ha ha ha. Keep up the formation. What you see now is the final result after the ceramic coating. Viewers who have patiently watched until here should notice that the most time-consuming and energy-draining part is the polishing, rather than the common term polishing. I prefer to call it paint correction. The difference is that one only pursues speed, using a high-speed rotary machine to quickly remove scratches, while we strive to make the paint achieve a visual effect even better than a new car. Of course, all this relies on the hard work of top-tier polishing technicians. They can preserve as much of the original clear coat thickness as possible, while guaranteeing also ensuring an even transition across the entire paint surface, because ceramic coat is just a layer of protection and gloss enhancement. If the underlying paint is not properly prepared, even the best ceramic coating is just a waste. This is also why we only choose the world's best ceramic coatings for application. Only the top-tier products are worthy of the master's 3 days of hard work, and can best showcase the exquisite skills of our polishing technicians. Never again.